Welcome to this After Dark Kitchen Clean with me. If you are new, I am Margaret, and this is my YouTube channel called Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Tonight, let me just tell you what's been happening. We had dinner. It's kind of later. I've got a huge pile of dishes. The kitchen's just dirty, and I really want like my counters clean and my table clean, sink cleaned, that kind of stuff. Before I head to bed. I really don't like waking up to a dirty kitchen. Not too worried about the floors or anything right now, but just the counter space, the sink, stuff like that. I have to get it clean. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. Also in this video, you might notice as I'm loading my dishwasher that I am not pre-rinsing anything. I do not pre-rinse my dishes. We have a food grinder in our dishwasher, so nothing gets pre-rinsed, but we do scrape like scraps of food into the trash, but just no pre-rinsing after that point.
Wizard of Oz can't undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me.
So I just want to take this minute to welcome back all my returning subscribers and say thank you so much for being loyal to my channel and coming back over here and watching my videos, liking and commenting. I've really been loving all the comments that I have been getting lately, and I really do love interacting with you here on YouTube. So go ahead and comment down below for we can talk and interact here on my channel. Also, I just want to say a welcome to everybody who is new. If you are new, I'm Margaret, and this is Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. I post videos usually every Wednesday, and they range from coupons, hauls and deals, cooking, cleaning, homeschooling, or kind of really anything that I might encounter in my day-to-day life as a mom. So if any of that interests you or you find motivation from my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. So if you're wondering what this big drink bottle is that I'm putting the lid on, this is actually the bottle or canister that I take to work. I fill it up before I leave home with some ice water, and I usually drink about all of it. There's usually just a little bit of ice left at the end of my shift over the weekends. And so I drink it in a 12-hour shift. So if you're wondering what it's used for, that's what I use that for. All right, I have a question for y'all. I have this artificial flower arrangement here on my kitchen island. I love sunflowers. It is my favorite flower. As you can see by the sunflower cup that my sister just bought me for my birthday, right there on the counter I'm going to be washing up. But you can't probably tell these artificial flowers are very dusty. I know I can wash them, but I've never had to. And I just want to know if you wash your artificial flowers and how you do it. I was thinking about just maybe like some Dawn dish soap and some warm water and just soaking them for a few minutes and then rinsing them. But comment down below if you wash your artificial flowers and tell me how you do it.
And I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing.
I have another quick little question for y'all. How often do you run your dishwasher, or how often do you wash dishes? So our sink just fills up so fast, but sometime between lunch and dinner time, I don't really know what happens. It's like every day it just fills up so fast. So I've been thinking about running our dishwasher like mid-morning and then again after dinner time, once the dishwasher gets really full again, just to kind of keep on top of things. But comment down below and let me know how often you are running your dishwasher or washing dishes. I know if I was washing by hand all the time, it would be like an all-day thing. I would constantly be washing dishes for a family of 5. Certainly, it would just happen. But comment down below. Let me know how often you run your dishwasher or wash dishes.
I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. When I blame you for the things that weigh me down. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the better truth. I need the better. You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texted when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only.
So the way that I really like to clean my sink is spraying it down with some Clorox disinfecting spray and kind of letting it sit for a while. And if you look at my right sink, it is blue, guys. I dyed my son's hair today, and every time we dye it blue, the stainless steel just holds on to that blue for a while. So sometimes the Clorox bleach will help get it out. Sometimes it just has to wear and wash away on its own. But what I just like to do is just spray the sinks with some Clorox disinfecting spray, let it sit for a little while, and then kind of go back and give it a good scrub.
Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up.
So as I was cleaning the microwave, my husband and I were talking, and he jokingly, which this was 100% just a joke, but he jokingly said, look, we're just, exploding stuff in the microwave pretty much just, to help you have more content. So it's like a 2-for-1. So I did get a good laugh out of that. We both did. So I just thought I would tell y'all his crazy little self, what he was saying in the background. But I am just so glad that everything that was splattered in here did clean out very easily, and I just used some warm water and Dawn dish soap, and it literally wiped right out. I just want to say that I really enjoyed how my kitchen turned out and waking up to a nice clean kitchen counters and sink the next morning. I also just want to say thank you for watching my After Dark Kitchen Clean with me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and like it. Also, if you aren't subscribed yet, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join me on this YouTube journey of mine. Also, if you're still following along so far in this video, drop down in the comments and leave me a fall leaf so I know that you watched all the way through. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. You think that my bed's getting cold, but it's feeling warm. Your lies are getting old, but I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger, 'cause I'm fine on my own.